What's up, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to another one. And today I'm talking about the perfect push-up. Now, there's a lot of variations of push-ups. You can get like real creative and real crazy. So something I noticed with the regular push-ups that a lot of people tend to do is they're not implementing a lot of their back muscles into the exercise, because a lot of people, when they do their push-ups, they just keep their back straight, rigid. It's like a limited range of motion, because you can do a lot more movements and a lot more explosive movements when you implement your whole body, when you implement your core into the push-up. An aspect of push-up that people are missing out on is shoulder movement, shoulder blade movement. You can literally get into the push-up position and stay in the sag position where your shoulders are slouched down, or you can push it out. So you can see from the shoulder, my arm is straight, but you can push it back or go forward. You can go back or forward when you're in the push-up position. This utilizes your upper shoulder, back muscles, your traps, rear delts. So your normal amount of push-ups that you usually do, you'll be able to do less of them and still get more work. So it makes your workout more efficient because you're hitting more muscles in a shorter amount of time. So now you're not just hitting your triceps and your chest and your shoulders. Now you're hitting the whole entire shoulder as well as parts of your back. You're implementing more of your core, more of your shoulder muscles. You're improving your range of motion. You're making your body more limber. Improving your range of motion makes it easier for you to draw upon your strength, because you can use more strength when you're using full range of motion opposed to just staying stiff in your push-up position. Implementing these extra muscles will make the regular push-up easier because you're not just using your arms to lift up. So the pros to this style of doing push-up, or the perfect push-up: more range of motion, more muscle stimulation, a more effective and more efficient exercise, and you can take your exercise and have it completed in a shorter amount of time. Now here's the cons. You're gonna feel that lactic acid build up in your back and shoulders in a much quicker time. You're gonna notice by the time you hit 10 reps, you're gonna start feeling that in your upper back. You're gonna start doing those push-ups, and if anything, you might be more sore in your upper back than just your chest and triceps. Because for most people, you'll be utilizing muscles that have been unutilized. Whereas before, some people would do certain exercises to work out the upper back. So now with this style of push-up, you can implement more muscle activity, so you get more bang for your buck in a shorter amount of time. If you found this information useful, please go ahead and hit the like button, share, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.